The iPhone 18 Pro Max is already creating a lot of excitement, and if the latest rumors are true, this could be one of Apple's biggest upgrades in years. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, leaks and industry reports suggest that the next Pro Max model may focus on three major areas: a much more powerful processor, a serious camera upgrade, and a deeper level of AI built directly into the iPhone experience. If all of this happens, the iPhone 18 Pro Max may not just be faster than the current generation, it could completely change how people use their phones every day. Let's start with the first big rumored upgrade: the A20 Pro chip. Reports say Apple could use a new 2 nanometer process for this processor, which would be a major step forward compared to older chip designs. In simple terms, a smaller manufacturing process allows Apple to fit more power into less space while also improving efficiency. That means users could get faster performance without sacrificing battery life. Apps may open quicker, multitasking could feel smoother, and demanding activities like gaming, editing, and high-end productivity work may run with less heat and better stability. This is the kind of improvement that doesn't just show up in benchmark scores. It actually changes how fluid the phone feels in day-to-day use. Another interesting rumor connected to the A20 Pro is the way Apple might handle memory. Instead of keeping RAM farther away from the processor in a more traditional setup, Apple is rumored to place the memory much closer to the chip itself. This could allow information to move between components far more quickly, reducing delays and helping the phone respond faster under pressure. If true, this would be especially useful for advanced AI features, console-style gaming, and heavy creative workloads like photo processing or 4K video editing. The iPhone has always been known for optimization, but this kind of hardware design could push performance to an entirely new level. And that brings us to one of the biggest themes surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro Max: on-device AI. Apple is reportedly designing the A20 Pro to handle more artificial intelligence tasks directly on the phone instead of relying on cloud servers. That matters for two reasons. First, local AI processing is usually faster because your phone doesn't need to send data somewhere else and wait for a response. Second, it can be better for privacy since more of your information stays on your own device. This could allow the iPhone 18 Pro Max to deliver smarter suggestions, more advanced voice interactions, and intelligent features that feel instant and seamless instead of slow or disconnected. The second major rumored upgrade is the camera system, and this could be a huge one for photography lovers. According to reports, Apple may introduce a triple 48-megapixel rear camera setup, which would be a significant leap in consistency across all lenses. That means wide, ultra-wide, and zoom shots could all benefit from higher detail and improved image quality. This kind of setup would give users more flexibility without making them feel like one lens is far better than the others. Whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, or close-up shots, the overall camera experience could feel much more polished and professional. One of the most exciting camera rumors is the possibility of a variable aperture lens. This is a feature usually seen in more advanced cameras, not standard smartphones. A variable aperture allows the lens to physically control how much light enters the camera. In bright outdoor conditions, the aperture can narrow to preserve sharpness and improve control. In darker situations, it can open wider to let in more light and capture cleaner images with less grain. If Apple really adds this feature, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could perform much better in both bright daylight and nighttime photography. Instead of relying only on software tricks, the phone would have real hardware helping the camera adapt to different scenes. That could also improve video quality. Better light control, cleaner sensor data, and stronger processing power may help Apple deliver more natural-looking footage, improved stabilization, and enhanced cinematic recording. Video has already been one of the iPhone's strongest areas, so if these rumors are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max may widen that lead even further. The third big upgrade is expected to come from iOS 27 and Apple's next step in software intelligence. Instead of treating AI like a separate tool or special mode, Apple is rumored to be weaving it directly into the operating system. That means users may experience smarter features throughout the phone, not just in one app. Siri could become much more natural, more aware of context, and better at understanding complex commands. For example, instead of asking one simple question at a time, users may be able to give multi-step instructions and get more useful results. There are also rumors of stronger cross-app intelligence, where the iPhone can connect information between apps in a more helpful way. AI-powered editing tools may allow users to improve photos and videos with less effort, while live visual intelligence could help the phone recognize objects, scenes, or text in real time. The overall goal seems to be making the iPhone feel less like a device you manually control and more like a smart assistant that understands what you need and helps you get it done faster. So, if we combine all of these rumors together, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become much more than just another yearly upgrade. A powerful 2nm A20 Pro chip, a redesigned high-resolution camera system with variable aperture, and deeply integrated AI through iOS 27 could make this one of the most advanced iPhones Apple has ever built. Of course, until Apple makes everything official, these are still just rumors, but if even most of them turn out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could set a new standard for flagship smartphones in performance, photography, and intelligent software.